Hi! Today I will show you another video showing how to use Julie Emulator to start Daewoo Matiz with a damaged immobilizer. The car doesn't start, and check engine warning lights on the dashboard. First, take the ECU out. The ECU is located under the driver's legs by the front left pillar. It's held by 4 screws. To unscrew it, you will need a ring spanner or a 10 mm ratchet wrench. Carefully take the ECU out, unlock the safety, and take the plug out of the ECU. Now, when the ECU is on the table, carefully open it. Connecting Julie Emulator to the ECU. Solder jumpers J2 and J4 on the emulator's PCB. Ground, power, code. Connect the white plug to the ECU. Bend or cut off pin 11 from the ECU. Carefully install the ECU back into the car. The blue LED on the emulator lights constantly and blinks every other second. The white LED is power. Now you can start the car. If everything works correctly, close the ECU and install it back into the car. That's all. If you liked the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.